Ready to discover gadgets that will blow your mind? From floating plasma lamps to next-gen electric bikes, these tech marvels are straight out of the future. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the Spacetop G1, the world's first laptop without a traditional screen. This game-changing device projects a virtual desktop into mid-air, giving you a massive workspace wherever you go. No more bulky screens, just a sleek, ultra-portable setup that offers limitless possibilities for remote work and gaming. Next, feast your eyes on the Xiaomi NIXIE Tube Glow, a watch that's more than just a timepiece. It's a futuristic art installation for your wrist. The vibrant NIXIE tubes display the time with a captivating warm glow, blending vintage aesthetics with modern tech. This wearable piece of art not only tells time, but also syncs with your devices, ensuring you never miss a beat. If you're into gadgets that make a statement, the Xiaomi NIXIE Tube Glow is a must-have accessory. The INVANTI Tornado Pro e-bike is an absolute monster for outdoor lovers. Built for power, this bike reaches speeds up to 45 miles per hour, making it perfect for city streets or off-road adventures. With its long-range battery and durable build, it's designed for riders who want an exciting and reliable journey every time they hop on. Introducing VocaEase, the cutting-edge smart translation device that breaks language barriers in real time. Whether you're traveling internationally or engaging in multilingual business meetings, this AI-powered gadget instantly translates your speech into multiple languages with remarkable accuracy. Compact and user-friendly, VocaEase is a game-changer for global communication, ensuring smooth conversations no matter where you are or what language you're speaking. Now prepare to be mesmerized by Aloh, the world's first floating plasma toroid lamp. This jaw-dropping gadget uses magnetic fields to suspend a glowing plasma ring in midair, giving off a soothing and futuristic light show. Whether you want to create a calming atmosphere or a futuristic centerpiece, Aloh turns any space into an artistic experience. Then meet the MOI Gen 2, a wooden smart panel that's all about subtlety. This sleek, minimalist interface allows you to control your entire smart home without the clutter of buttons and screens. Adjust lights, check the weather, or manage your music, all from a single elegant surface. Fitness enthusiasts, it's time to meet Lagree Fitness, the ultimate high-intensity yet low-impact workout machine. Whether you're looking to tone your muscles, burn calories, or increase flexibility, this device combines everything into one compact system. Get a full-body workout at home with exercises designed to challenge you without causing strain. For those who love practical tools, the TiSpanner 2.0 is your new go-to multi-tool. Made from titanium, this ultra-light and durable tool offers multiple functions in a compact design, perfect for DIY enthusiasts or outdoor adventurers. Whether you need a wrench, screwdriver, or bottle opener, the TiSpanner 2.0 has you covered, all while fitting neatly into your pocket. Next up is the INMOTION E20, a foldable electric scooter built for city commuters. With a powerful motor, lightweight design, and long battery life, it's perfect for zipping through traffic or taking a leisurely ride. It folds down easily for portability, making it a practical choice for anyone on the go. And for the gamers out there, the Machenike KT84 mechanical keyboard will elevate your gaming experience. With customizable RGB lighting and ultra-responsive keys, it's designed to keep up with intense gaming sessions. Plus, hot swappable key switches let you fine-tune your setup for maximum performance and comfort. Last but certainly not least, let's take a look at the eveia Premier, a breakthrough device designed to help you optimize your posture and movement. By combining precise biomechanical sensors and AI-driven insights, it provides real-time posture analysis and offers personalized recommendations to reduce strain and prevent injury. Whether you're sitting at a desk or working out, eveia Premier tracks and improves your alignment, ensuring you maintain healthy body mechanics. It's an invaluable tool for those looking to prevent discomfort, boost performance, and promote overall well-being in daily life.